love about Meet Magento events is that I travel around the world, I meet like-minded people, everybody's having a great time, everybody's passionate about Magento.
Levels.
Meet Magento, I'd say, is an energizer for the community. It's an excellent energizer. It brings everybody together, energizes them, so they have another year of exciting work in Magento.
It's a great show, I think. So I see a lot of opportunities of partnership for PayPal, especially the program which you have launched, the ecosystem partner program. It's a wonderful place to collaborate, come together, see the energy of the system integrators, the developers, the coder, the entire Magento family. I am very, very excited, so very happy and super supportive of this particular show. We'll participate again. Thank you so much for coming and collaborating with PayPal. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone.